dkdynamics presents Rotary Racks.
Hello friends, you're welcome to dkdynamics. I'm coming back with more interesting and wonderful project for the mechanical students. As you know friends, nowadays the greatest problem is the space. When you going in any mall or any big bazaar, you see the racks. These racks placed in the whole space and cover the larger ground area. As you know, there is an 500 square surface area on the ground. Suppose we are placing the 50 racks for displaying and sale of the various foods items, as well as the domestic item, as well as the grocery items. These 50 racks cover the 400 square meter of area, and only the left area is 100 square meter. This 100 square meter area is utilized by the cash counter or the circulating area around the racks. So this is very congested arrangement. In future, the number of the food items and the number of the grocery items and the number of the other domestic items increases. Suppose you want to add some spice rack because the public wants some spices and you want to add some spices. Now the problem arises. How can we increase the area? It is not possible. The another solution is to move the market, or to move your the whole market or the whole place into the another place, which is impossible because it is very disgusting, and this is not relevant to just displace your whole established market into the another place. So how can we overcome this problem? As you know, we are utilizing the ground area, not the air area. So there is a two area. One is the above the ground area, is called the air area, which is not utilized. You are only utilize the ground area. So I am developing a new solution for this problem, and this is called as Rotary Racks. So here I am presenting the Rotary Racks. This is a new concept which is globally utilized, and the many companies are making still the Rotary Racks. This is also called as the carousels, the automatic carousels, and it is very easy to made, and this is one of the prototype which my team is making by hard task, because this is not so easy to align the racks which are moving. The main feature of this Rotary Racks are, you can just place the racks and increase the height up to 15 to 20 feet from the ground. In this way, you are utilizing the air area. The air area which is not utilized, you can utilize this area, and you can display the more racks in a small area. So in this way, we are using the small space to display large number of the products to display to sale, and this is obtained and make easy by Rotary Racks. I am giving the name called the Rotary Rack. Here I am using the 4 gears. This is called as the chain gears, or you can use the sprockets, which is easily available in the market, called chain sprockets. And I am using the 2 meter long link chains for both ends, and the spur bar, this is called a spur bar, and these spur bars are used to hold the racks. Racks are hanging on these spur bars. The spur bars have the sufficient strength to hold the weight of the rack as well as the product which you are displaying. So now I am demonstrate how it works. So this is the toggle switch, or we can say that this is a DP/DT switch, or the joystick which control the rotation of the DC motor. This is a center shaft, and this is a gear motor which give the torque to the center shaft. Center shaft rotate the gears, the chain gears, the 4 chain gears, and the 2 on the upper shaft and the 2 in the lower power shaft, and they link by the chain. When the chain moving, the spur bars are moving, so the spur bars are moving to move the racks, and the racks are moving up and down in both directions. So now I'm display how these work. So I'm just want some chips, or we want the biscuits. So this is the moving, and now the biscuits is coming. So we can take the packet of the biscuit from the rack. So I want 1 packet of the biscuits, and I also want some chocolate from the chocolate rack. We pick the 1 chocolate and the 1 is left for my friend Rob. And now the next is the kurkure. I'm taking 1 kurkure for my breakfast, and now the toffees is coming again. So I don't want toffees. So in this way the rack is moving. So this is moving in up direction as well as in the down direction. So this is operated by the battery here, and you can operate by the electric power supply also. So these are the biscuits, and in this way we are moving the racks up and down in both the directions. So friends, I hope you enjoy this ultimate project of mechanical, and you can make it easily by using some easily available spare parts in the market. And if you have any problem, please mail me or log on to dkdynamics.com. I try to help my best, and I appreciate your work and innovation. So my company aim is to increase or the flourish the inventions in our country. So you are the budding inventors. I hope you make this, and I'm coming back with more interesting videos. Till now, goodbye.